Okay, to show you interactive slides. So for example, I made this table, but now since it's a part of the background, the kids can't move it. They can only move the parts that are not saved. So when you do a slide, there's me and Lorraine dabbing. You make a clear background. You can type whatever it is you need to, right there. Whatever images you want to put in. We want our image here. So if this is what you want, you can snip the slide, and then you're going to save it. I've just been saving them and numbering them. So now once you've done that, you can make that image your background. So you just go to it, find that image, and now it is your background. So you can take away what you had, and now this is here. I can't move it at all. But if you wanted a kid to respond to something, if this was like a prompt, you can put a text box in for them to see that, hey, this is where you're going to type for your response. So the text box can stay there, and that's movable. But the other images that you've put in, they can't mess them up or anything. Thought it was cool.